Welcome back to Blue's Garden Tips, sowing peas. Peas can go outside before your last frost date, maybe 2-3 weeks before then. I find them extremely easy to grow, and really there's only one big tip, and for me that is I take the peas and I soak them for about half an hour, 45 minutes before I plant them. Soak them in some water, and then when it's time, grab them, poke them into the ground just knuckles deep. I am planting giant Oregon snow peas and golden sweet peas. As I said, ridiculously easy. Poke them into the ground, maybe an inch or so deep, and then cover them up. I always put in a little something for the peas to grow up, trellis along. Again, ridiculously easy. Poke them into the ground about an inch or so, cover them back up, and then that's it. Just keep them watered. Pretty soon, you will have wonderful peas fresh from your own garden. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden Tips. Thank you very much.